Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's Power Hour Clean With Me video, I'm going to start by throwing in a load of laundry into the wash before I start tackling the kitchen. The dishwasher wasn't completely filled, so I'm going in and taking all of the dishes out of the sink and placing them into the dishwasher. Today I actually planned to get a couple of errands done, but this morning after feeding Rylee her breakfast, for some reason she had a complete allergic reaction, which is really strange to me because she's had this food before in the past numerous times, so I'm not really sure what it is. The pediatrician said to give her some Benadryl, so I gave that to her and she finally went down for her first nap. New Jersey had a huge snowstorm, so we were stuck in the house for maybe about a day or two. So of course the house became a mess, so that is why I'm going through everything on the counter and clearing that out so I can go in and clean the countertops. Once I'm done with that, I decided to put all of the clean dishes away that were laying in the draining board because after cleaning up the kitchen, I'm probably going to find some more things that do need to be washed. There were a couple of Rylee's spoons and things like that that were laying around that needed to be cleaned, and for some reason I really don't like putting them in the dishwasher because I actually put one of her spoons in there a long time ago. I guess the heat from the dishwasher ruined the spoon, so now I just like to hand wash them. And I'm going to go in and do a quick clean of the sink. Of course, I'm going in with my Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose cleaner to clean off the countertops and get any gook that has been laying around on them. As I'm going through all of the countertops, I am putting things away into different drawers just to get them off of the countertops. Doing a quick clean of the stove and the microwave, and I'm replacing the dish towels that we had laying around. They have been up there for a little while, so it was definitely time to get those washed. Then I'm doing a quick sweep of the kitchen floor. Later on tonight, I plan on actually mopping the floor. I find that it's easier to mop the floor at night because it's less chance of anybody stepping on the floor. By this time, Rylee started to make some noise, and clearly, according to our baby monitor, it was playtime for her. So I ran upstairs, went to go get her, and then of course we played for the rest of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.